Today we are going to look at the new GRC tool, which is called used to be called as GRC Firefighter. Now it is called as GRC Super User Privilege Management. GRC Super User Privilege Management. What this tool basically does is it basically gives emergency access for people in production for a limited amount of time, so they can perform the duties which are approved by a manager or a supervisor. And also, the one of the unique feature about this tool is it can be tracked, and a log can be generated and then emailed to a controller or a supervisor. This way, even you are getting elevated access in production for a limited amount of time, the access can be tracked, so that people can know exactly what you did in production. And also, it also forces you to document what you are trying to do, and then they have a detailed log which goes with the reason. Okay, the first thing in a firefighter or a super privilege management tool you need to define is a firefighter. Firefighter ID is the ID which basically has the excess access. Let's say, for example, you need to do mass maintain of material master, and you're a regular user who do that, who you and you do not have the access to mass maintain. So you will give this mass maintain access to the firefighter ID. So normally in a typical client, the firefighter ID will be basically, for example, you will have material master firefighter ID, HR firefighter ID, uh, production planning firefighter ID, finance AP production firefighter ID. So you will have these kind of firefighter IDs which can be given to specific modules. So this is where you will define the firefighter ID here, and then you will also assign an owner, which will typically be the team lead or somebody who is responsible for assigning the firefighter within that particular team. Okay. The next screen is the firefighter. So let's say you need to go and mass maintain the material master. This you will be given a material master firefighter ID, and it will be attached to your ID. So this firefighter is the person who is actually going to execute in the production system, and then the firefighter ID is the one which gives the access in production. And then you can also specify how many number of days or how many number of weeks you will have access to do that. So this will typically be given when you are in production cutover and some emergency time when system needs to be fixed immediately. Next column, controller, is where basically you will say this firefighter ID will be tracked by this internal auditor or controller, who will get the logs or who will get the emails saying that this guy logged into firefighter and did the particular, these are the different transaction, and this is the reason which he did for. So for example, this person is useful because if the person is logging into firefighter daily, he can question the firefighter or the person why he is logging in daily, and what is the reason for him to log in daily, and why cannot this access be added to his regular access rather than using firefighter. So this is just basically monitoring and control, so that people don't use firefighter excessively. uh, Thanks for watching this video. uh, Please look at some of the articles on my website, sapsecuritytrainer.com, sapsecuritytrainer.com, for future classes and also more information. Thank you.